Knowing about the inputs, tools, and techniques and outputs to a process lays a foundation to not only understanding how a particular process is developed and serves its purpose, but also may help you answer one or two questions of the exam where you may be asked to identify a particular set of documents required for a particular process. Yes, you may get a question or two where you will be asked to identify the right combination of inputs, tools, and techniques or outputs to a certain process. So let's discuss each and every inputs, tools, and techniques and outputs to every processes comprising each and every process of project integration management. Business documents, such as the business case and the benefits management plan, are sources of information about the project's objectives and how the project will contribute to the business goals. Although the business documents are developed prior to the project, they are reviewed periodically. The approved business case or similar is the business document most commonly used to create the project charter. The business case describes the necessary information from a business standpoint to determine whether the expected outcomes of a project justify the required investment. It is commonly used for decision making by managers or executives above the project level. Typically, the business need and the cost benefit analysis are contained in the business case to justify and establish boundaries for the project. The business case is created as a result of one or more aspects like market demand, organization need, customer requests, technological advancements, legal requirements, ecological impacts, or social needs. The project charter incorporates the appropriate information for the project from the business documents. The project manager does not update or modify the business documents since they are not project documents. However, the project manager may make recommendations. Agreements. Agreements are used to define initial documents for a project. Agreements may take form of contracts, memorandum of understanding, service level agreements, letter of agreement, letter of intent, verbal agreements, email, or other written agreements. Typically, a contract is used when a project is being performed for an external customer. Enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence a developed project charter process may include government or industry standards, legal and regulatory requirements and or constraints, marketplace conditions, organizational culture and political climate, organizational governance framework, and stakeholders' expectations and risk thresholds. Organization process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the developed project charter process includes organizational standard policies, processes and procedures, portfolio, program monitoring and reporting methods, templates, and historical information and lessons learned repository. See you in the next lecture.